Today we will learn iframe. We will be able to show embedded web page to our website. We will be able to embed a image, video, map. Basically it's a small window. We will show it to our web page. Hi guys, what's up? Hope you are doing well. I am Bishit Dotto, welcoming you to Eka tutorial. So let's start. First we have to go search menu, search bar. If you are using Windows, then you have to type Notepad. If you are using Mac or Linux, then you have to type text editor, text. Basically, you have to open a text editor. You can use Notepad or other text editor as you wish. Now I am opening text editor. I type here text and here text editor came. So I am clicking on text editor. Okay, my text editor is open. First I have to zoom the font size of this text. Now I am zooming. I will go for 300%. Okay. Now my font is 300% zoom. So after zooming, let's type. What we have to do? We have to create a canvas. In HTML, we will have to canvas, and we start this canvas by HTML tag. HTML. So when we create a tag in HTML, we know we have to close this tag also. So we have to close this HTML tag also. HTML. For closing, we just created an advanced slash. If we see advanced slash any tag, then it's a closing tag. If we don't see any tag, any advanced slash in a tag, then it's not closing tag, it's a starting tag. But in image, video, basically in image is a single tag where we don't need to use closing tag. Okay. Now I have created HTML tag, but HTML has also rule also. By this rule we have to create a head. Now body first. Now yes, head. We are creating head tag. Then we have to close also head tag. After closing head tag, we have to create face for. So title title. We also have to close title title, and we have to give name of this title. We have to give name of this web page. So we are giving iframe. iframe learning. Okay. After finishing head tag, we have to create body. We are also closing body tag body. So we have closed body tag. In this body tag, we have to create what? We have to create as we wish to display or want to display to our web page. Okay, so I am creating a heading tag JSON by creating a JSON tag. So closing a JSON tag. Now I have to set property of this JSON tag. So we are setting iframe. iframe tutorial. Now I also have to create paragraph. We already know about paragraph tag. So also closing paragraph tag. In this paragraph tag, we are setting property. We are setting property of paragraph tag or p tag. So today we are learning iframe. Now we have to create iframe tag. Okay, so I am creating iframe iframe. Also closing iframe. I forgot it. What? Advanced slash. Okay, frame. Now in this iframe, what we have to do? We have to create a source like link tag, like video tag, like image tag. Okay, src. We have created source option, and we are giving property of source like en dot wikipedia.org. Okay, and https. Okay, then we have to set white white equal to 600, and also height we have to set is height. $600. Okay. Now, if we refresh and if we save this and open this, let's see what happened. Save as 10th. tenth hyphen tutorial.html. Okay, and saving this. Okay, so after saving this as a HTML file by creating 10 hyphen tutorial.html, HTML is the extension of this file name. Okay, I am going to document. From here I have to open 10 tutorial. Okay, open with, I am clicking here, I am clicking, right clicking on document, then open with and selecting Google Chrome and open, and clicking on open. Now we are seeing okay, like this we will be able to open a document or a web page. So I have said something wrong, this is not valid, maybe let me check. Okay, this is not bad. Wikipedia, let me check. Wiki. Okay, now I understood where I did miss. I mistype address. Okay, for this reason I am getting this. Okay, now if I refresh this, I will see on website is open to our web page. We are just embedding another website to our website. So it's our website, we are saying iframe. What we are saying here, just notice, we are telling this is on heading, we are telling iframe tutorial, then we are using p tag, paragraph tag. Today we are learning iframe, and then I embedded this website to our web page. By this way we can create, by this way we can use iframe to show other website to our web page. Like this way we can also embed video also. Okay, so for this reason I am going to okay, I'm going to open, where I have to go, okay, I have to go, I am going to a YouTube channel. Okay, so I am going YouTube www.youtube.com/@ K-A-I tutorial. Okay. From here I am going. Okay. Yesterday's tutorial. I will use this for embedding. Just click here. From there I am getting this embedded URL code. Okay, I am getting embedded code. Just copying this and pasting this here. Pasting this in this source section. Okay. Now see what's happened. Okay, no. I just replacing total iframe option. Iframe portion. Okay. So after replacing the iframe portion, if I save this file and refresh this web page, then what happens? Just notice it. See, we are now embedding video. This time embedded web. Before we embedded website, now we are embedding video. Like this way we can also embed it image also. Lots of things possible. Okay, so hope you understand this tutorial and you enjoy it also. So if you have any question, any doubt, please ask me through comment. If you have any suggestion about our tutorial, please give your suggestion to comment box. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you dislike our video, please click dislike video button. And if you already did not subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. We will really provide valuable lesson to our channel, which is not only help you but also make your career. It also give you a awesome career. It's just starting. We will go through this channel for a long time. You can say it's our lifetime project and lifetime platform where if anyone come to learn anything, then they will be able to learn anything exactly programming related. And if you already subscribed, so much thanks. Best of luck. We are going today, so see you next time. Enjoy your life, take care of yourself, keep coding and keep building your future and change the world. Have a good day. Tada, bye bye.